Okay, I'm at Rotunda de Carlos de Maia. Pretty unusual Sunday. It's empty. Usually there's Filipinos, especially Indonesians are everywhere in this area. A lot of domestic helpers or just people with their day off from the Indonesian or Filipino or Vietnamese, different communities like that. But we're gonna walk around here anyways because there's still lots of people around and lots to share and talk about.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rotunda de Carlos de Maia. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around the peripheral part, and there's a little rotary, rotunda here. So the Indonesian mark right there. If you watch some of my other videos, I bought some drinks on that market not too long ago. Pretty nice lighting right now. These cars here are illegally parked, so the police will come by here quite often and write up tickets. There's a flower shop, little marketplace. We're gonna be coming up on a marketplace to the left, but I just kind of want to share everything. But yeah, they usually park illegally, but it looks like they're in their car so they can move quickly in case the police come, and they'll usually come by pretty frequently. It's pretty common. It's hard to find parking in Macau. You can find it, but it takes a while. So this is the whole little market all the way down that way. This is part of our cool design of the streets here in Macau. There's our rotunda right there, a little circle. That's usually filled with Filipinos, Indonesians, Vietnamese, Southeast Asia in particular. And then some of these marketplaces will cater towards those demographics as well. And yeah, this market goes all the way down. We just had a typhoon. It's been going on for 2 days. So this is the third day of rain. So we had it 2 days ago it started. And so we're still kind of in our typhoon right now as well. I think it's category 3 right now. It went up to 8. But sometimes we have 8s and they're, if I want to go around the circle, I can't do it so easy. I want to go over that way. Looks like I have to go across. Okay. So maybe we'll go across to that spot and then we'll come back over here. Just to give you a reference of things. There's 1 street, 2 streets, 3 streets, 4 streets, and 5. And we're going to be walking over that way. And I do have some past videos. I'll put them at the end. You can click on some of those and see how busy it is on a non-rainy. We also had flooding as well the last 2 days. The typhoon was blue storm surge, which means that the water will come up in certain areas, the low-lying areas. I don't know if they came up here, but you'll see these rain guards like this. So these are rain guards for the flooding, just to protect the businesses. So you'll see those around the city. It's already passed, so a lot of people have already removed them. If the businesses are open, they'll remove them, of course. So you might see the closed ones with those flood guards. Let's just kind of walk in a little space. It's kind of cool too. So yeah, those are the flood guards. The whole city was given those. So they're probably on their day off. Today's a Sunday. Today is October 10 on a Sunday. See if we can get across here. Just went across like that. There we go. Okay. So yeah, because of it, a lot of shops are closed. These are closed, but they have no floodgate. I like Macau people. Pretty cool people. I like the city. Okay. So that's more streets that way. So yeah, now we're kind of in this spot. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's an Indo market right here. So they have, it says Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia. So kind of cool stuff in here. So now I think we've done a 360. We basically went around it in this kind of unusual way, and you can see like what this area is all about. So okay, hope you liked it. I guess we'll end it there. Rotunda de Carlos de Maia. The street sign right there. All right, and with that we'll continue on out of here. That's the food market. So there's a lot of the community from Indonesia. Here's more of those flood guards as well. So they're taking them down because the typhoon is passed. Yeah, it's October 10th, so we had a typhoon the last 2 days. Okay, so we're gonna end it there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.